We just arrived at the WWE Performance Center and it's time to train. Last night I just got done doing a baller league stream and I drove 3 hours north to Orlando. Got to Orlando around 1 a.m. Right now it's currently 8 a.m. We'll go back 7 a.m. Probably at like 5 to 6 hours of sleep. We about to train. How you doing, man? Long time no see.
How you feeling?
Good.
Good. So, got a day? Get some training in?
I'm ready. What's good, man?
Good
name, Tim. How you doing, bro? Good to see you again, brother.
Good to see you, brother.
How you doing, brother? Doing camp.
So, what are you hoping to get done today?
Hoping to figure out like what I'm going to do. Any moves that I want to do in the ring. I want to practice it now, get a hang of it now.